Hello friends, my name is Settle Pham. I am the CEO of this my factory, and I'm very happy to be your guide to lead you to visit my factory. Now, let me introduce. This is my sewing workstations building. We have 3rd floors, and this is my warehouse. It's 4,000 square meters, and this is my main office buildings. And we have a dorm and dining room over there, so the employees can stay here and having dinners right here. Now follow me, and we will go to the first step of our manufacturing. Come on. We will go to the first step of the hardware workstations. We buy raw materials and we produce every part by ourselves. And we will see how it happens. Come on. This is the hardware workstations, and we will go to see how the tubes be making out and how the framework will be done. These are our cutting machines, and we have semi-auto machines, and we also have auto cutting machines. And the pipes is made by our tube making machines. This is our very good advantage because even our competitors, they buy the tubes from us. These are the raw materials of the tube strips, and we buy the raw materials, and we have 2 pipe making machines, and it will automatically produce the pipes, and so we can control our quality and we can control our delivery time. You see, the steel strips is coming into the equipment, and it will be rounded by fixed mold, and we will check the tubes even though they are running smoothly, and we want to check 100 pipes to see if it's rounded enough or not. And we can control our thickness and our diameters. So it's a good option for you to do customizing. This is the powder coating line, and normally we use in liquid powder coating, and we will see that later. And this one is we have it because there are some customers they prefer different colors. So for liquid powder coating, we only have green and black. But for normal powder coating, we have whatever colors you want, as long as you match our MOQ requirements. These are our pre-treatment of the powder coated assembly line, and not every factory has this pre-treatment equipment. This one will help the tubes and metals to be protected better, not be rusted so easily, and also the surface for protecting will be much better than our competitors. Well, of course, it will increase the cost a little bit, but I think it's very worthwhile and valuable. This is our liquid powder coating lines, and this machine can produce much more volumes than normal powder coating lines. So this machine is our very frequently used machines, and due to the environmental controls, we are the few of factories have these liquid powder coated line machines, and it's very good advantage for us. These are environmental protection machines, and we are very happy we have this machine so we can protect our local environment and follow the government requirement, so we can run this machine smoothly. Well, of course, it's costly, but we think it's very valuable. Right here is the first step. Our workers, they put the tubes into the equipment, and it will go through the pre-treatment automatically and get the surface powder coating by the machine, and it will go to the line directly to the second levels of our package line, so it can save our time and save our money. This workstation is our shelf making workstations. We have 4 auto machines, so we can produce many pieces of shelves per day. And also we have the trimming process to protect the end users' fingers not be cutting, and we do that because we want to help you to increase the satisfaction of your end users.
This time for Africa, the pressure's hard to feel it.
Alright, this is normal shells. It's been produced. There's a lot edge. It might cut your fingers or your hand. So what we do is that we do the trimming for 4 parts or for 2 parts. Normally, other competitors, they do not have the 4 size trimming, and we do it. After trimming, it's very smooth. It's very smooth, and that will increase the customer satisfaction and give you good comments if you sell online. We have these machines to produce the packs under the ground, so that will stable the greenhouses to increase the satisfaction as well. And this machine is fully automatic, so we don't need a person right here.
Got it all, believe it. This is Africa. This time for Africa.
Now let's go to the second level or the second floor. It's our packaging workstations. We have a lot of auto machines over there. As you see, this is our second level, and this is the liquid powder coating line unloading area. So it will save time for the packaging area. This is the waiting area for packaging, and we have a few auto machines over there. Now, these are our auto counting and packing machines. We need to put the tubes into the sink, and it will go through to the machine, and we have a red laser system to count how many tubes we want. And it will go through to the assembly line and pack by itself. And we can also add the tags like number 1, 2, 3 or A, B, C, D as you want. So this machine saves us a lot of time to count, and also save us a lot of energy and quality control, so we don't have any complaints about missing some parts. This is our main packing assembly line, and today we are doing some pre-preparation for assembly line. So it's not open right here, but we will see some preparation. Right here we are counting the plastics, the connectors into one bag. Everyone do one section or one part different connectors, and to the end we have a waiter to wait if the amount of the bag is correct.
People are raising their expectations. This is your moment, no hesitation. Today's your day.
Now we are going to the sewing workstations, and right here it's all finished covers waiting for packing. And we will go to the sewing workstation. The first floor is the cutting or tailor workstations. We design the size of the covers, and the workers or our auto making machines will cutting and pulling the covers. Normally, these tables is for inspection process. Every covers will be stay here waiting for voting and inspecting every part, zippers, sewing problems, quality problems, they will be found right here. Every cover will be voted, and every cover also will be inspected.
You get down, get up, oh, oh, and you get down, get up, hey.
This is our sewing workers. They are doing the greenhouses, and we have 2 floors of the sewing workstations. And so far we have around 50 workers, and all of them are experts. They are very good. And our good quality comes from quality control and also the training of our workers. So our covers always very good, and that's our best quality control in sewing workstations.
This time for Africa. The pressure's on, we feel it.
This is our second floor of the sewing workstations, and as I said, everybody right here they are experts, and we are very good. We have these workers right here because they made HGC. Other factories, what I know, they always outsourcing their coverage to other third parties, so they cannot control their quality and delivery time. But right here, I control every part. I produce every part.
But you got it all, believe it. When you forget it all, if you forget it, cause this is.
This is the tailor workstation or the cutting workstations. Right here, I have 3 tables for different kind of covers. And as you know, greenhouse covers right here is a raw material roll. It's very, very heavy. And my workers always complain about too heavy, and that will take their too much energy and time. So I equipped these automatically new pulling machines to save my workers save a lot of time and energy, so they can have more time to do other works in other tables. This is a brand new machines, and we designed it with a third party, so it only works in HGC. You cannot find a second one in other places. As I said, we produce every part, so every part almost finished. But right now, let's go to the plastic injection workstations. So we protect the plastic connectors by ourselves. This is our plastic connector injection workstations. We produce most or all of the plastic connectors, the small ones, the long ones, the big ones, based on customers' different requirements, colors, and size. We have a lot of machines right here, so we can control what kind of size and materials we're going to use. And I know a lot of competitors, they buy the plastic connectors from third parties, and the quality is not controlled. And also, what I know, they put a lot of recycling materials to pretend that it's brand new, so that's no good. But what I have right here, I will tell you directly which kind of connectors should be adding some recycling materials, what kind of materials should be brand new. So right here, all my products is authentic. We are never cheap because we are never cheat.
This time for Africa.
This is our research and development team workstations right here. So when we have new ideas or innovation products coming, they will produce the samples right here. And also some of our competitors share their ideas to us. We can produce the samples as soon as possible to require customers' needs. This is our container loading areas. We designed this height of the loading area, so the containers can directly loading the products right here and save our time and energy. And this is our warehouses. It's about 4,000 square meters big, so we have enough space to prepare your products, and we have enough time and persons and also our quality controls. There's no worry for you. My factory tour is right here, and thank you very much for visiting. And we are very happy if you can come to do a site visit. And a 30 minutes drive to the high-speed railway station. We are very proud to pick you up there. Thank you for watching.